Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 20 of our playlist React.js. So in this video, we are going to learn about product list rendering based on availability. Here, availability means quantity. Okay, quantity means, for example, we have this product. We have this product, but the quantity of this product is 2, or maybe the quantity is 20. If the quantity of this product 20 or more than 20, we will say this product is available. So this availability coming just because of quantity, or we can say based on condition it is coming. Okay, for example, our product is less than 1. Okay, our product quantity is less than 1. So we will display here out of stock. Okay, like that. And instead of suppose here, like we can display almost available. Okay, almost out of stock we can display if the product is less than 5. Okay, like that we can apply conditions when we render the product, right? So we are going to create this is nothing but a simple card. Okay, in card we divided a row into two things. This one is first column, this one is second column. Okay, this is column 2. In column 1 we are displaying just what image, and in the second column we are displaying details of the product. Okay, so like for this multiple card, we will use map method, and with the help of map method, we will implement this. We will not write the separate code again and again for this. Instead of this, we will reuse the components, right? Okay, so let's start coding. Let me open VS Code. Okay, so here is our VS Code. So this is my SRC folder. Okay, I already created my app. If you don't know how to create React first project, so you can refer previous videos. Right, so when you go to the src, here you will get app.js, and in app.js you will get some pre-written code. Just delete that code and write with me. Okay, whatever we will write here from scratch, right? So let me write here const. First I will create a function. Okay, so my function name is app, and I'm going to create which function? Arrow function. Let me write here return. Okay, and I can use this empty angular brackets. Let me test the code. App is working, like that. Okay. I can also use the shortcuts in order to write the code. But why I don't use shortcuts? So that we can do lots of practice. Okay, bro. Because with if you will do regular practice of writing the code, basic code, then you will get a confidence. So that's why I will suggest you write the code from the scratch. Don't use like shortcuts if you are beginners. If you are beginner, don't use shortcut way. Okay, otherwise you will lack the concept. Okay, so now let me move into my app folder. Okay, so how I will move? I'll say cd my app, cd my app, right? So I am in my app folder. Now I will start my deployment server. How I will start it? I'll write here npm start. Okay, so it is not coming properly, but you have to write only npm start, then your server will start, right? Okay, so our server is started and the output is app is working, means this code, so means our this code is working properly, right? So we have to create the component, and inside the component we have to create this product cards. Okay, so what I will do here in src folder, I'll create a folder called component. Okay, components. Inside the components folder, I'll create a file. For the file name, let me say product.js, right? And here I'll write the code for the I will write the testing code only first. So I will say const, what is the file name? Product, and arrow function, right? Then return, and inside the return, empty text, empty text, empty text, and here I will write if product app is working. Okay, then what we have to do? Export default which is product app. Okay, so let's check output is coming. Output is not coming. Why? Because we have created this application, but we have to import this application in app.js, right? So here we have to import it. Import product, right, from components product.js. Okay, now let me call this UI, which is product. Okay, so I'll call it here product, right? Okay, now let's check whether output is coming. Yeah, app is working and product app is also working. Means like our testing is successful. So let me remove this message from here because we don't want any message. Now let's move to the product.js, and here we will write our work. Okay. So initially what I will do, I'll create the card. So in order to create the card, first I'll create the structure. So what I will do, I'll create container, if container, and empty margin top is 4, and inside this I'll create the card div dot card dot shadow, okay, lg shadow lg. Okay, let me say shadow lg means large, and then I'll say empty 2, margin top is 2. Like this I can create card. Then inside the card I'll create the card body div dot card body, and inside the card body I'll create the row div dot row, right? And inside the row I'll mention how many column space we need. So I will say m div column md medium devices. I need 4 column space. Yeah, I'll use 4 column space. And inside this, what I will use, so for 4 column space we are using for the image. Okay, we will give image in 4 column space. So let's check whether this coming or not. Okay, it's coming. Like this I'll write here img tag, right? But as of now I don't have any image. Okay, but later I'll keep image here, so let keep it empty. After this, okay, in this row I have already taken 4 column space, and I'll take more, like I'll create another column for this details. Okay, in separate column I will display this details. Okay, one row I will divide into 2 column. This is 4 column, and this I'll take 6 column space here. So I will say div and call md6, right? And here I'll display the product detail, right? So let me say like p dot display 3. Display 3 is a bootstrap class, right? And here I'll say, for example, abc, right? So abc is coming. Image is not coming because we didn't give any src source of image. We didn't given yet, right? So I will write here. Next, what we have to write after that, we have to write price. So for price I will write here p dot class. Okay, I will not write p dot class. I will simply write p display 6. Okay, display 6. And after that I will write font weight bold. Font is bold, right? And inside this I will write let's say 12, okay, or 120. Okay, so 120 is coming, but how we will get this rupee symbol? How we will get this rupee symbol? So in order to get this rupee symbol, we will write a code like ampersand hash, and we will write here 8377. 8377 is a code for rupee symbol. So see, rupee symbol is coming, and after that we will write this. So this is, you can simply write here like this. Okay, so this is coming, right? And now what we have to do, after that we will display this available or not. Okay, so we will display based on the quantity, but right now I am displaying it normally. Okay. So I will say, okay, let me write it inside the span tag. So span dot text success, and I will say available. Okay, so available is coming. Okay, let me use class also so that it come little larger. H4, let me say H4. So it is coming like this. Okay, fine. Now like I have to create multiple products card. Like if there are 10 products, so 10 cards should be rendered. If there are 5 products, so 5 products should be rendered. So how we will do it? In order to do like this, in order to do repetition, what you will do? Okay, let me take image also so that our card perfectly visible. Okay. Okay, so let's search an image of mouse, and we will check how our card is looking like actually. So let me say mouse image. Okay, so let me take this mouse image. Okay, let me copy image address. Okay, now go back to our code. Here is a image src. Here I will paste. Okay, I'm just testing my image whether it's working or not. Okay, so this image is coming. If you want to control the size of the image, then what you will do, like in the image tag, you can write here width, like for example 250 around, right? So which is it working or not? Let me say 150. Okay, yeah, it is working. So like that we can create the create our product card. Okay, it has image and detail as well, right? So but we will not create this statically, like we will create it dynamically. Okay, because we want to create more than more than one card. Okay, more than one product card. Like there is 100 cards, so we will not write 100 times this code. So what I'm doing, I'm creating product object. Okay, so first I will initialize the state. Okay, so here I will write const, and inside this I will say state comma set state, right? And I will use state hook. Okay, and here in order to use this use state, let me import React, and then use state, right, from React, right? So like this we can use this use state hook. Here I'll create a product. Okay. So initially what I will do, I will say serial number of the product. So product serial number will help us to identify product uniquely, right? And then we have product name. Okay, so how many fields we need to create? So we create these many fields like image. Okay, then product name, price, availability, and availability based on quantity. So instead of writing availability we will write quantity, right? So then image also we have. Okay, and then what we will use, then price of the product, let's say 1,000 rupees. Okay, then after that we have quantity. Okay, let's say quantity is 10 of this product, right? So instead of writing image here, instead of giving image link here in src, what we will do, we will cut image link from here. So we will give image here, we will give image link here. Okay, then how we can use this, how we can link this image attribute in src here. So for doing that, what we can do, inside this we can write like the image dot, okay, no, what we can write product dot image, product dot image. But in order to access the product we need to say state dot product, right? So what we need to say is state dot product. So I will write here state dot product. Okay, so let's check whether image is coming. Yeah, image is perfectly coming. Okay, let's say, let me comment this, then check whether image is coming. No, image is not coming. So with the help of this attribute or property we can handle this src value. Okay, so this image is coming like this. Okay, so I have to create one product or more than one product. So this is the detail of one product only, but I want to create more than one product. So what I will do, if you want more than one products, then we will use array inside this product object. So what we will do here, we will create an array, and inside the array we will create the product. So we will not write here, we will create product array, and inside the product we will create, right here, product details, right? Here we will write product details, right? Okay, so this is about first product. Here we will write another product as well. Okay, so how we can write, let me just copy it and let me paste it here. So this is gonna be our second project. Okay, and here let me write some name like mouse. Okay, okay, mouse is not coming. Why? Because I'll tell you why mouse is not coming. Okay, so let me give another name, right? Okay, here what is the second product? Second product is mic. So I will say mic, and then let me copy it, let me paste it like it. How many products you want to create? You can create as many products as you want. Okay, then third is our watch. So let me say watch here. Okay, watch, right? So like this we can do, but we have created three products, but we are getting only one card. So what we have to do, we will use map function. Okay, so here see, here what we are writing is state.product.image in order to fetch this image. Okay, image is not coming by. Okay, now this product become array. So uh, we will not render image like this. What we will do, we will say like 0. Okay, so now image is coming means 0 array. Okay, what's the location of this product? 0, 0th index. This is one index, and this is second index. Okay, like that we can see. And if you want to render the name, okay, because name is coming ABC. So where is ABC? Okay, ABC is here. So we will delete ABC from here. Instead of writing, instead of writing here ABC, we will say state dot product. Okay, product 0, product 0 dot name. Okay, now check whether okay mouse name is coming, right? But it should not be like product. It should be products because it's containing multiple objects. No? So that's why products. So here I will also write products, and here also I will write products. Okay, it's coming perfectly fine, right? But still we have only one card. Okay, so we are repeating this state dot. So I don't want to repeat this state dot. So what I will do, I will do destructuring. So let product equals to state. Okay, so now at this moment we don't need to write state dot. Okay, so if you will not write state dot, still you will get this value. But if you will comment this, then you will not get any values. Say error will come. So that's why we have to do destructuring as well, right? Okay, now we will see how we can get the multiple cards. Okay, so we have three objects, so it must contain, must create three cards. If we have four objects, it should create four what four cards. Okay, so it should be conditional. So what we will do in order to render the cards based on the product, so what we can do, okay, so let me cut this div. Okay, this card div. Okay, let me cut this code. Okay, so what we will do, we will render this div using what? Using map function. So what I will do, I will write here products dot map. Okay, on this products we are going to apply map function. Okay, if you want to apply map function, then use here this curly braces first. Okay, use this curly braces, and inside this we will write products dot map. Okay, so map function, what it will do, it will take a function and it will apply some operation on a function, then it will return a array. Okay, so we need what array? We need div array. Div means card div, because we want to get more than one cards. No, that's why we are applying map function on card div. Okay, so here it will take a function. So let me say product. Okay, right, and then after that I'll say arrow function. Okay, and inside this curly braces and return. Okay, write return here. Okay, so whatever div we have copied, we will paste here. Okay, now what I will do, I will just format the text, right? So this map function will return this div. Which div? This is a card div. Okay, this map function, okay, it will return what? This div. Okay, so now let's check whether it's working or not. So we have how many products we have? There is 1, 2, and 3. Three products we have. So this map function should create three cards for us. Okay, and here is the code of the cards. This we have already written. I copied and paste here. Okay, and it is repeating this code based on this products. Okay, so let's check here. So here how many cards we are getting? 3 cards, but information is same on each card, but we have to change the information. Okay, so how we can change the information? So we should not write here like array name, because we are using main function. So we'll simply write here product. Okay, we will write here product dot name. Okay, here we have what? Product, right? So instead of writing here, we will write product dot image simply. Okay, so mouse, mic, and watch is coming, and this price is static. So let me make it dynamic. So how we can do it? Instead of writing this like this, what we will do? We will write here product dot price. Okay, because we have price attribute as well, no? Price. So let me change some values from here. Like this is like how many? 1,500, and let me say this is 12,000. Okay. So this price is changing. Okay, let me write here slash equals to, so that it should look. Okay, but why image is not coming? So let me write here product. Okay, save and check. Okay, so this image is coming. Why? Because why same image is coming? Because we copied everywhere the same link, same image link we have copied. So let me delete this, and let me delete this link as well. Okay, now see, only one card is getting image, other rest of the card is not getting. So let me take a mic image as well. Mic images. Okay, so we are getting mics, right? So we will take any image, go to the image section. Okay, so let me take this mic. Let's copy image address. Copy image address. Okay, go to your code. Okay, so second is mic, and here between the double quotes, I'll paste the link. Okay, let's check whether mic image is coming. Yeah, mic image is coming perfectly, right? And then we have watch. So let me search watch as well. Copy image address, paste it here, right? Now let's check. Okay, this is looking cool. Okay, so this is how we can render the product on each card, right? We written the card code once only. Okay, here is the card code. Okay, this is a card code, and this main function is repeating this code, right? Okay, now work on this availability. Let me say some quantity is less and some quantity is more. So based on that quantity, it should display us this availability text. Okay, so like this product is out of stock or available or almost out of stock. So how we can display this at real time? So we will say here our quantity is, this quantity is, let's say 10 only, and this quantity is 5, and this quantity is I'll say 0, right? So I will display the quantity here. Okay, so we will not say directly available. Instead of saying available, what we will do, we will check the condition. So how we can check the condition? We will say product dot qty. Okay, what is the property name? Quantity qty, I said. Okay, so if the quantity is if the quantity is greater than or equals to 10, so product quantity is greater than 10, so what we will display? We will display simply this available. This product is available. So instead of writing available here, we will write available here. So if you will write here like this, so it will give error. So better if you use this ampersand symbol, right? Okay, then let me copy this and let me write another condition, and which is like if product is like we can say less than 10 and product quantity greater than 1, or we can say greater than or equals to 1, then what we will say here, the error is coming because I didn't apply this ampersand. So we will not say like available. Instead of available, we will say almost almost out of the stock, right? Like this we will display, and the text color should be warning. Okay, warning text I'm displaying, right? And let me write another condition as well. So I will say here product quantity. If product quantity is less than 1, if the product quantity is less than 1, then I'll say simply, let me take this text, right? And here what I will say out of stock. If product is not available, means quantity is less than 1, so we will say simply product is not available, or we can say simply out of stock. Okay, and we will change the color also. This is what danger. The danger means red color. Okay, cool. So let's check whether it's working or not. Okay, so here available coming, and here almost out of stock is coming, and here out of stock is coming. See why it is coming? Because our product quantity is here. The mouse is 10. Mouse are 10. So that's why it is available. And here mic is 5. Okay, which is less than 10. So it is saying almost out of stock. And what about watch? If we say watch, see watch quantity is 0. That's why it's coming out of stock. It is showing. Let me change the values of quantity, like 15, and this is 10, and this is 0. Okay, so let's see. Here mouse is out of stock, and mic is available, and watch is available. Okay, if I say mic is 3, okay, 3 mics are available, so what it will say, almost out of stock. Okay, so like this you can create this product card. It is very simple. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss like for example, okay, so like this product card you can create. Okay, so this is how we can rendering the availability based on the quantity, and we can create this product array. Okay, let's see the code once. Okay, see the code once and take the screenshot in order to practice this code. Okay, simply we create like 3 products. You can increase, if you will add one more product. Okay, let me add one more product. So you don't need to write another card code again. Okay, just add one more product, and it will display you another card. Okay, so now how many cards we have? 4 cards. So this product is depending on cards. How many products you will keep, these many cards you will get, because we are using map function. So take the snapshot or pause the video and write them. So here is our code. Okay, this is what product.js, and we have this app.js. Okay, this is the code of app.js, right? Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss more about product rendering. We will apply some more conditions. Okay, we will see an elegant way also to render the products. Okay, so till then, keep practice. Thank you everyone for watching this video.